Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Patricia Andres Vargas, Filipino. I am 27 years old. My religion is a Roman Catholic. I am married and I have 3 children. My husband's work as a driver. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. I am a second in the family and I am high school graduate. About my work experience, I work as a domestic helper in the Philippines. My duties responsibilities is clean the house and washing and iron the clothes and marketing, gardening and car washing. I also know how to cook Filipino dishes like pork adobo, chicken adobo and fried chicken and fried fish and sinigang. And I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes and how to speak basic Mandarin. I love taking care of children. I love taking care of children by giving him healthy foods on time and take a bath every day and give a vitamins prescribed by the doctor and sometimes play with him and sing a song before he sleep. I love him as my own child. Mom, sir, I am loyal and loyal, patient, and flexible and hardworking person. Mom, sir, please choose me as a domestic helper because I need this job to support my family needs and to my children's future, and I promise I will do my duties very well, and I will finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.